powerful day. I want to thank you to the Miami Herbert Business School for your hospitality and the passion for what you do and what we do. We love the you, and I got it right. And now it is time. It is time for a special Miami Telemundo Center lightning round on Cramer's Bet Money. Start taking calls rapid fire. You say the name of stock. I'll tell you what to buy, buy, sell, just record another call. So they're going to be playing this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Dad? It's time for the lightning round, Cramer's Bet Money. Let's start with Dwayne in Louisiana. Dwayne.
Hey, Jim. I am a club member, and I was wondering about a stock that I'm playing with the house's money. That stock is Cintas.
Cintas is such a good company. I would love to be able to say, listen, ring the register with more, but you gave me the magic words. Play with the house's money. Let it go. It's one of the greatest small business companies in the world. Okay, let's go to Ara in Ohio. Ara.
Booyah, Jimmy.
Booyah.
Kathy Wood's ARK Fund has a very large position in Zoom. She speaks to the company's bright future with corporate clients. In my opinion, corporate America seems to be gravitating towards similar tools offered by Microsoft and Google, making Zoom potentially obsolete. Professor, whose side are you on?
Okay, I think Zoom is a very tough call. They're great people. We had Kelly on the show. Eric Yuan is a terrific guy, but the problem is the business model. They're just not making enough money. They need to merge with some, and they've tried to merge before, and it failed. They need a merger. Let's go to Sha'an in Pennsylvania. Sha'an.
Yo, Jimmy, chill. What's going on? Go Eagles.
Oh, man, the chill man was not chilling yesterday. I was sweating. Holy cow, what's going on?
Let's go. I want to talk about Corsair stock today. I was wondering if it was a safer bet than the Eagles' money line for the Super Bowl.
No. All right, look, Corsair's gaming peripherals, and that's very, very hard. And it is a cutthroat market. You know, we like Logitech, but they failed to make the quarter. I can't recommend Corsair Gaming because they're second-rate Logitech. Got to be honest. Let's go to Jack in Ohio. Jack.
Hey, thanks for your help, Jimmy. Hey,
much appreciated. What's up?
Looking to add to my dividend income on a pullback. TXD, Pioneer Natural Resource.
Definitely. That's Scott Sheffield. He swore to me that he'd be the highest yielding stock in the S&P 500, not because the stock went down, but because he keeps raising the payout. I think the PXD at 220 may be one of the best investments you can make because it's got a 10% yield and it's backed up by cash. Let's go to Save Ray in Colorado. Ray.
Hey, Jim, thanks. I'd like to follow up on your segment about dividend aristocrats with your thoughts on a company that's raised theirs 49 years in a row. VF Corporation, VFC.
Okay, I am very worried about VF now. It is run by Ben O'Dora, the great Ben O'Dora, put Clorox in just a terrific way. And by the way, how about Linda Rendell doing an amazing job at Clorox? What a fantastic quarter. Benno just took over the company. Let's wait to see what Benno says before we jump in. He's a thoughtful person. He'll come on the show. He'll tell us how they're doing. Let's not pull the trigger until then. Let's go to Mark in New Jersey. Mark.
Hey, Jim. So I wanted to see what you think about AST Space Mobile now that it's trading around $6 and
only if for just a huge amount of speculation. And I mean huge, because I think that's a very tough one to own. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, today's jobs number turned plenty of frowns upside down. But cheering a perma-bear is a fool's errand. Cramer goes grizzly on the naysayers. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.